अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सबसे पहले आप सबको यौम आज़ादी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। अल्लाह ताला हमारे प्यारे पाकिस्तान को हमेशा तरक्की, खुशहाली और अमन अता फरमाए। Great news for every trader. BT Trader Academy proudly announces Batch 22 admissions are now officially open. Whether you're a complete beginner or already trading, this professional course will teach you from basic to advanced with step-by-step live guidance. You'll learn market structure, strong and weak levels, fair value gap, order blocks, price action, entry confirmation, risk management, and trading psychology. You'll receive live interactive classes, real market analysis, daily practice sessions, homework, question-answer sessions, and continuous mentor support until you become confident. Course duration, 3 months. Live classes, daily practice, limited seats, course fee, $150. Don't wait until the seats are full. Invest in your skills instead of chasing signals. Join BT Trader Academy Batch 22 today and build a trading career with confidence. Contact BT Trader Academy today. Call or WhatsApp us, and Build a 22 admissions are now open. We look forward to welcoming you.